Hey everybody, welcome to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are making Wingstop Parmesan garlic chicken wings, but I'm doing it healthier. I'm using almond flour and I'm using my air fryer. So if this would be something you'd be interested in, be sure and give me a thumbs up, like this video, that helps me in the algorithm, and share this video. All right, let's get started on today's video. First thing you need to do, I've got some melted butter. And I'm going to add some garlic to it. Now, part of this I'm using organic minced garlic, and in my dredge I'm going to use some powdered garlic. You don't have to add that much garlic, but we like it garlicky. So, I'm going to add about probably 2 tablespoons into my butter. I'm going to give that a mix. In my little bowl here, I have some cayenne, black pepper, and seasoned salt. I'm just going to mix that up together, and I'm going to add half of it into my butter mixture. Okay. We're going to put together our dry dredge. In here, I'm using 2 cups of almond flour. Now, if you wanted to use regular flour, by all means do so. I'm adding about 3/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan. I am using just what comes in the jar. It tends to work better for wings. Give that a little mix. And then I'm going to add the rest of my seasoning. Plus I'm going to put a little bit of powdered garlic in here. About a teaspoon. I've already heated up my air fryer. I'll take my basket out and I'm going to give it a spray with some olive oil cooking spray. And we're going to start dredging our chicken. I picked these up at Sam's. They're already cut into drums, which makes it a lot easier in my opinion, but feel free to sit there and cut them all up yourself. Alright, I'm going to drop a few in my butter mixture. Put them down in my Parmesan mixture. I'm going to put them down in my Parmesan mixture. And coat them. Shake it off. Lay them in our air fryer. Now you don't want to overfill your air fryer because it just doesn't cook as well. Add just a few more. You have to spray down what you're cooking. And you just want it a little wet looking. Okay, we're going to put them in there, cook them for 12 minutes. And then after 12 minutes, we're going to turn them over and cook them for another 12 minutes. I'm cooking them at 400. This is a Power XL air fryer. I'll be sure and link it down below. Okay, we're going to cook for 12 minutes. And like I said, we'll turn it over in another 12 minutes and cook the other side. We'll be right back. Okay, so it's time to turn them, and they're already looking amazing. You want to spray them again. Back to 400. I'm going to cook these only about probably 9 minutes because they look almost done, so I don't want to overcook them. We'll see you guys back here in 9 minutes. Okay, so our fryer is finished. We're going to take out our wings. They smell wonderful. I have mixed up some parsley flakes and some Parmesan cheese. I'm just going to mix that up a little bit. What I like to do is just take it and gently hit it with just a little bit of this mixture. I've got a lot more wings to cook, so I've got extra here. Alright, and then if you wanted to keep it completely keto, leave out the ranch dressing. If not, I've laid out some ranch dressing right here, and my family's going to absolutely love these. Let's give it a try. That tastes absolutely amazing, and it's good for you too. I wouldn't ever fry these again. I love my air fryer for wings, and using the almond flour, you've just made it keto. So thank you so much for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and we'll see you on the next video. Hey everybody, this is Misty with Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. If you like today's video, be sure and check out these other wing recipes that I have, and we'll see you on the next video.